Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to add a live stream from your security camera to your website in just a few clicks. With RTSP.me, the whole process takes just about a minute. All you need is the RTSP link of the camera you want to stream from and an RTSP.me account, which you can create using your email address. In your account dashboard, you can manage your stream and customize various settings, including the stream name, aspect ratio, codec, audio, and more. Once your stream is ready, all that's left is to add it to your website. Go to the Code tab and copy the HTML code. In your website builder, select an element that allows you to embed custom code. Paste the HTML code you copied from your RTSP.me dashboard, and that's it. Your camera stream is now live on your website. You can also use the dashboard to track viewing statistics, record and save footage from your camera to cloud storage, and configure access permissions and streaming hours. With RTSP.me, you can easily create and manage a live stream directly from your security camera.